Now the Shanghai Major is officially here, so today we're going to be breaking down everything you need to know, starting off with what exactly came with the Shanghai Major, and unfortunately it's a bit of a letdown. We didn't see those team charms that we were really hoping for, which would bring a lot of opportunity inside this area. I mean, they look absolutely so cool. Instead, we just got traditionally what we're going to be seeing for Majors moving forward. We got our sticker capsules, our autograph capsules, and then probably a Champions capsule down the line, coming with the graffiti that you're able to choose, and obviously souvenir packages. Now we're going to be going a lot more in depth into nearly everything I just mentioned. The only area we're not going to be going in depth into is the viewer pass. Now obviously as you're watching this, the major is already underway, therefore trying to make profit off the viewer pass by getting everything correct really isn't an opportunity at this point. But if we want to talk about an investment point of view, obviously I'm usually pretty against this, but if we want to look at Copenhagen, it was actually the most profitable Copenhagen investment you could have made other than an individual sticker. Talking about it, 3x nearly in price for the regular viewer pass, and the traditional viewer pass with tokens is up about 50%. I definitely don't think it's the smartest investment just because it's a very limited item. If more than just a handful of people invest into these, you're running into a big situation of oversupply. But if you want to look at Copenhagen, it did end up profitable here. SkinSwap just went ahead and dropped their biggest update ever. Not only are they sponsoring you with that top link in the description, but they're also introducing backpacks, allowing you to buy any item on the site and it's going to be personally held for you. Their trading feature is often told to be the best in the business, offering near instant trades, taking under 30 seconds right now. And their selling feature is instant as well, offering PayPal, crypto, and tons of different options if you're looking to get your money this second. And finally, they've always got that 40% deposit bonus if you're looking to pick up some brand new skins, so try them out today. There's no reason not to. Now talking about the best investments you could be making right now, well obviously you can't buy anything because we still have that 1 week lock on all of these items. It's going to be releasing in just a couple days, so we're going to be able to see where everything lies on the overall market for prices, but I definitely think you should be waiting until the 75% off sale if you're making any investments relating to stickers. Obviously you're going to be able to get them for significant discounts compared to what they're at right now. We're talking about souvenir packages, they do not get that 75% off sale, but we're going to be talking a little bit more about them in a quick second. If we're talking about the capsules specifically, there's one capsule I'm really eyeing up. It's definitely going to be the Contender sticker capsule. Oh my gosh, this thing is loaded with brand new logos. Rare Atom, FlyQuest, Passion, and Wildcard. 50% of the capsule is brand new logos, following it up with Imperial, Cloud9, and Gamer Legion being 3 solid ones. We've got MIBR holding it back a little bit, but compare that to the fact that we've got the Perfect World logo actually looking really good. What is this? Usually the major logos are one of the cheapest items from the capsule. This one's still going to be cheap because obviously it's in every single capsule, but it definitely looks really solid, and I'm super excited for that. We haven't seen that before. The Challengers is definitely going to be one that's going to struggle in my personal opinion, being that it has Big and Mongols, two traditionally of the cheapest stickers in a sticker capsule, is definitely going to be tough for that to overcome considering there's not anyone that's outstanding in that capsule. Legends is definitely an interesting one that's going to be the most popular, being that it's got that cool new mouse, which is kind of like a whitish look, and the 3D Max new logo. Combine that with 6 of one of the most popular teams in the game, it's definitely going to be the one that everyone's flocking to. Now if you're going to watch one thing from this video, these are the most important things to know. First up, you're going to lose money if you open up these capsules. It's really hard right now because we don't have the ROIs, because no stickers can be listed on the market. I can guarantee you are going to be losing a significant amount of money, and it might actually seem profitable for the first day. That's how you get tricked. If we want to look at the armory, obviously the ROI that you could get on an item right now is not the ROI you can sell it for. That's because you have to wait a week from you actually getting the item. Shanghai, the exact same thing. You're going to have to wait and you're going to lose money because those prices are going to keep on going down. Next important thing to note, there will be a 75% off sale. Don't be concerned about it. There is zero reason why Valve would discontinue this trend. There is no one buying these capsules beforehand. If you want to look at previous data, no one's applying these capsules beforehand. No one's buying these capsules beforehand. We've gotten to a rhythm right now with the 75% off sale, and Valve has zero reason to change that. And if they do, they're going to come out with the statement to let everyone know. And finally, in my personal opinion, the most important thing we have ever seen for a major recently is the fact that the Shanghai logo looks so good. This is a very applicable sticker. Usually when we're talking about investment into the major opportunity or the major sticker here, it's zero. There is zero chance that anyone is applying these previous ones because they look so ugly. Look at the Stockholm one, look at all these other ones. They look disgusting. This one for the Shanghai Major is very interesting. It's a robot. It's applicable in so many different areas, not even relating to Shanghai. It's very cool, and it's definitely bringing a whole lot of opportunity that people really haven't seen in the past for a brand new sticker. Now pivoting back to the release notes that came along with, we got one of the biggest updates we've seen ever in the history of cases, and that's the fact that every single one of them is now being able to be rented. This means you can go ahead and redeem a case and a key, and you can get all the skins inside of it for 1 whole week. Now to fully see the impact of this, I think we should check out the cheaper rare case market to see exactly what's going on inside of this area, and as you can see by the graph behind me, the answer is absolutely nothing. I actually don't think this is going to be very impactful for the skins market or the case market that much at all. Obviously a lot of people are concerned about their skins because you're going to be able to rent them. That's not really the value that comes with skins. Obviously it comes with the ownership of the skin, it comes with with the trade up potential, it comes with so many different things, and when we're talking about the cases, it's actually going to positively impact them a little bit. Overall, this is one of the features that I think is going to be a very big impactful thing for about 2 weeks, and then people are going to kind of forget about it. Now, people are concerned for the prices of their skins. I don't think it's going to have too much of an impact. Obviously, in the short term here for a week or two, people are interested, but that's not going to stay. Talking about the case market, it's definitely going to have some sort of a positive impact because more cases are going to be deleted, more cases are going to be used, and less skins are going to be coming out. With that being said, I think the people that are unboxing these cases are going to still make up 99.9% of the case deletions, and therefore the renting really doesn't have too much of an impact. Now, talking about the souvenir packages, if we're trying to make an investment, I highly suggest we head over to Copenhagen and see exactly what those prices are sitting at, and you can definitely see they are on the lower end. A majority of them are below $3, and there's only 2 of them that actually have made profit after Steam fees. That's going to be Mirage, due to the Desert Hydra always having the highest demand for souvenir packages, and Vertigo, obviously due to the fact that it is the potential next one to go. I definitely think if you're trying to redeem your souvenir packages for the most optimal value, these 2 are going to be your best area. But remember, this graph right here, souvenir packages are one of the worst investments you can make from majors, just because they are the exact same every single major, and there is no unique factor now that the autographs are gone. Now, because obviously Shanghai came out and it was borderless, it's very important to check out the competition inside of this area, and there's a lot of competition. Obviously, we've got Copenhagen, Paris, Antwerp, and Stockholm. Looking at the application data for all of these before heading into the Shanghai major, we can definitely see we were on a downward trend. People were expecting borderless stickers inside this area, and therefore it definitely does raise some questions of what exactly is going to happen with Shanghai. Every single one of these capsules, Copenhagen, Paris, Antwerp, and Stockholm, were on the decline heading into this, specifically for the holos, which I think are the most valuable information. And we can look at the overall application numbers for these. There's definitely a lot of interest that has been just completely lost inside of this area, and it's very interesting to see the first data that comes out for Shanghai, where exactly we're sitting at, because I think it's very possible a lot of people are going to be applying Shanghai in any capacity because it's going to be one of the cheaper stickers, but it's also the newest sticker inside of this area. Now, obviously, because Shanghai is a borderless sticker like we just mentioned, we need to check out the market impact of what exactly it's done, and it's not particularly good. If we want to talk about Paris capsules, these are the most impactful inside this area. Even though they're at the cheapest price point of maybe 13-14 cents, they drop down significantly. You can see it on the graph. Obviously, this is a pretty detrimental blow to Paris. If we want to talk about the rest of the capsule market, overall, it's a little bit more stable. Paris is the most influential and most volatile at this point, but it's definitely not good for any of them. Usually, we saw a little bit of a rebound for the capsules people are more interested in still investing into, but it's definitely not good, definitely not a positive outlook. Now, what should you be doing right now? The worst thing you can do right now is actually make any sort of investment into Shanghai. You're going to have more than enough time, more than enough options for you to buy whatever you're looking at. Don't buy anything now. You're going to lose money. Otherwise, I would definitely say just check out that case market, check out the HLTV results. These are going to be everything you're going to be needing to know. And honestly, just enjoy the major. It's going to be a very interesting one, being that it's in Shanghai. We might get something a little bit special towards the end. We don't really know. That's all I got. I want to thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.